Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming firmware and platform updates. This fixes many intermittent faults. Once done, power cycle everything. Headset, link box, PC, or console, wait 30 seconds between restarts. Make sure to reseat and inspect USB/HDMI and power connectors for bent pins or debris. You should record current calibration and pairing settings before major changes so you can restore them quickly. Doing these first narrows down power and connection causes and lets you move to deeper diagnostics with a clean baseline. You now focus on software. Uninstall and reinstall the headset runtime and drivers using clean mode. This removes corrupted files that cause tracking or audio failures. Next, disable overlays, screen recorders, VPN, or GPU overclocking because they interfere with low-latency VR. Make sure your GPU drivers match the runtime requirements. Mismatches cause stuttering. Run diagnostics for USB power draw and GPU temperature while testing a simple VR scene. These steps isolate software. You finish by recalibrating tracking, reposition base stations, clean sensors, and run the room scale setup to refresh tracking anchors. If tracking or audio persists, swap in replacement cables or PSU to rule out intermittent faults. A known good spare is the fastest diagnostic. Once calibration and swaps pass, restore your saved settings. If problems remain, perform a factory reset as a last software step, and then contact manufacturer support with your diagnostics and serial numbers. One tip: keep a log of changes to speed troubleshooting with support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.